My name is Aida Foruzan, Senior Engineer with the City of Thousand Oaks Public Works Department. Today we are at Conejo Canyon's open space next to Hill Canyon Water Treatment Plant. The City of Thousand Oaks and COSCA, which stands for Conejo Open Space Conservation Agency, are partnering in collaboration to construct a bridge across Arroyo Conejo Creek southwest of Hill Canyon Road. This bridge will connect Santa Rosa Valley to Newberry Park as an emergency access for city vehicles, park rangers, and firefighters. Pedestrians and bicyclists, equestrians, and trail users, they all can use this bridge. That's one of the main purposes of this bridge, to connect the trails on both sides of the Arroyo Conejo Creek. The project construction started in September 2023. The bridge abutments with the bridge sits on them made of rebars and also concrete. This side of the bridge, the bedrock was shallow, so it was an easier construction, excavate down to 8 feet. But on the east side of the creek, the contractor is now drilling the piles for the foundation. The bedrock is much deeper. They had to drill to a depth of 62 feet to reach to the bedrock. Construction completion is scheduled for early 2024, followed by a habitat restoration work in accordance with California Department of Fish and Wildlife. The total project cost, including the design and habitat restoration, is about $3.2 million, and it's partially offset by contribution from COSCA, CRPD, and Conejo Open Space Foundation.